Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is go over and search for the channel you want. Once you find your channel, you are going to go over to playlist. Click the playlist you want. And before it starts, pause it and go over to your right top hand corner and the little cross, click it. It's on save playlist. And then you're going to go over to your icon and go to Creator Studio. Once you're in Creator Studio, you're going to click on the three lines next to your YouTube logo on your top left hand corner. When that goes down, go over to Library and down to your Save Playlist. Once you have the playlist, go to your right hand corner, those three little dots, go ahead and click on those, and you're gonna click Add All to Watch Later. And there you have it. The whole playlist is gonna be on your Watch Later. You can add multiple playlists to your Watch Later list. So you can go back to your Watch Later playlist and check to make sure all your videos are in there. Once you're done watching your playlist, you're going to go back to your left hand side corner and go down to Library to your Watch Later. Once you're in there, you're going to go ahead and press Edit. Once you're in the playlist, there's going to be a Remove Watched Videos button. Go ahead and click that and all your watched videos are going to be removed. You have to do this before you clear your history, because once you clear your history, you can only delete them one by one.